Hello everyone, welcome to Namkoo's channel. I'm Christine from Namkoo Solar Power. Today we will introduce some of our solar street light installation mistakes which will lead to the failure of the project. Let's see how to avoid the mistakes. Many people think that the solar panel need to be placed flat to absorb the solar energy. Actually, that's not true. Because of the difference in latitude and longitude, the angle of the solar panel needs to be adjusted to absorb the most energy. Placing solar streetlights in the shade of trees or under buildings will cause serious shadow blocking, which will affect its power generation efficiency. Keep it fully exposed to sunlight for best performance. Also remember to clean the surface of the solar panel regularly. Mixing different brands or incompatible parts, the solar light system may not work. Use an original setup for perfect operation. Improper positioning can lead to light pollution that annoys your neighbors and disrupt the nighttime ecosystem. Set up your light where they are needed most. Ready to install the solar street light in a right way? Contact us for expert guidance and top-notch solar solution. That's all. Bye-bye.